Minister Ziyambi, I'm proposing that we delete and substitute this clause 20 with the following: that the bill is amended on page 5 of the bill between line 4 and 7 by the deletion of clause 20 and the substitution of the following, so that it reads: nsanapena mashoko anobudainirwa panguva inoi ationa kuti panguva inoi ma-constitutional amendments ari kunokwa kunzi ari kutsviridza, and ZANU-PF inoratidza kuti iri kuita progress pana kuamenda the constitution. We are seeing panguva ine mu263chat.com vari kuuya panguva inoi nemamuso atotona naZambia ekutonyatsa kutochinja the constitution completely. And for subscribe or like button on the bell icon and remember vachiti the substitution of the following, so that it reads 20. Repeal and substitution of section 212 of constitution, so that it reads section 212 functions for the defense forces is repealed and substituted with the following: functions of the defense forces. And then we start by saying, subject to section 207 and 208, the function of the defense forces is to protect Zimbabwe, its people, its national security, interests, its territorial integrity, and to uphold the constitution. Honorable members, here, before you alluded the reason why we did this, you just clap before you hear it, the way they uphold. You do not even know why it is like that. So let me explain, so that honorable members will appreciate where we are coming from. You know, chapter 11 is about securing, or it's about security forces, and section 207 lists them in what they are supposed to do. In section 207, subsection 2, it says that the security forces are subject to the authority of this constitution, the president and cabinet, and are subject to parliamentary oversight. It is a standalone section that is not speaking to the other two. So what I'm proposing is that I'm doing the upholding function, which we all do. We take an oath here in Parliament to uphold the Constitution. That must be done subject to this section, which is the general section of the security sector, and section 208 on conduct of the security sector. I so move. Thoma developments are kuda panguva ine atirikuona kuti aiwa now dzema constitutional amendments. We are seeing there are some MPs who are trying by all means kuti vadefende, but panguva inoi tikuona kuti zvinogona kuti rambei. Pida kuma section medu dzafunguro enyu tichiona zvakananda panguva inoi zvichisekiwa victory, tichiona kuti Cap 3 is almost a done deal. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon.